Hey, good morning. It's Laird here at South Burlington Mazda. We're sitting in the brand new 2026 Mazda CX-5. This is the Premium Plus trim. I wanted to go over some of the features you may have read about where you're kind of like, what's going to be different? So I want to go over some of the things that we use every day. Let's look at the screen. We're going to use the new Mazda infotainment system with their Google built in. So the first thing is, how do I change the temperature? You're gonna have the temperature controls easily controlled right here, just with a quick tap. I'm looking forward. These locations are never gonna change. This is a static line right along the bottom, making it super easy while you're driving. Changing the volume. You can just change the volume here, or you can even do it on your steering wheel. Nice and easy and clean without taking your eyes off the road. If I want my heated seats, this is Vermont and it's still kind of winter. Your heated seats are right here. You have the same 3 levels. You have your heated steering wheel. Super easy, just a swipe of the finger. It even has a fancy little picture that shows the heating steering wheel turned red. Kind of cool. You can even have your auto button, just like in your previous years of the Mazda. When you tap that, it'll control your fan speed, the location, AC, and everything to get your cab into this temperature as efficiently as possible. We can even sync the other side. So all the commands are still right there, just in almost the same location, just a little bit higher. So as we're driving, you can do all sorts of fun stuff. Because of Google built in, you're gonna have all of your phone right up here, completely wirelessly, to bring up maps, your favorite music. There's even apps you can add to the car from Google. We'll go in more detail about that in another video. I just wanted to give a quick overview of the things we use every single day, which are still super easy to use with just a flick of your finger and a tap of the screen. Thank you so much for joining me here at South Burlington Mazda, and I look forward to making more videos with you guys in the future. Thanks, guys.